Hey folks, look, I recently got the Milwaukee framing nailer, and it works so good and saved me so... Hey folks, I recently just got a framing nailer, a Milwaukee framing nailer for my birthday, and now Christmas rolled around, and looky here, the companion to it. This is the staple gun, the Milwaukee staple gun. So let's open up this box and let's see what this darn thing looks like. Now, this is a fencing stapler, and it shoots a range of staples from, I think, 1.5 inches or 1 3/4 to 2.5 inches or something, maybe 3 inches. So I did purchase some 2 3/4 inch nails, staples, and that's what we're going to use to fix this fence behind us. So look at that. Okay, so take a closer look at this thing. I guess that's the cocking lever. You put the staples in there. Move that back. This is a depth adjustment, just like on the framing nailer, except this one's a lot nicer. It's got those little white lines there that mark how high you want the head to stick up. So we'll test that out. We'll put it on medium right now until we know what's going on. Apparently, this is how you're going to clear a jam. Oh yeah, that flips right up. You can pull a bad staple right out of there. And put it right back in there. So, let's put a battery on this thing, load it up, and see if we can't staple some staples. All right, let's try putting some staples in here. Oh, it locks back. Here's our staples. I don't know how many it holds. Oh, they go from the back forward. Woo! And just load it up. So since I have the nailer, the framing nailer, I've already got batteries. Now I think this comes with a, well, this one didn't. Usually it has a 3-amp battery, but I got a bigger battery. So let's put it on that fence post and see what happens. So now this has a little indentation in there. I'm assuming that's where the wire goes. So let's put it within the wire and see if this will staple. That'd be a no. Oh, you got to turn the power on. Now it's getting scary. Oh, look at that. But that's a little deep. So let's adjust this thing. You know what? Before I adjust anything, I'm going to pull this battery off, because I don't want to be messing with a new tool that I'm not familiar with. Turn the power off. Battery out. And let's wind that thing up. We're going to wind it up to the 3rd white line. All right. Now these staples are proprietary, so you have to buy the Milwaukee staples for the Milwaukee staple gun. Okay, we're running hot. Got it between our wire. Oh, I like that. I like that. Well, one pole's down. Try another. Oh, this thing is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Now, the only thing, oh, there we go. You want to have a little cant to it so you don't get both in the same grain. It just seems to hold better that way. That bottom one will be difficult. Or not. Well, this one's a go. This one's a go. See how it doesn't crush your wire? Okay, let's move it on. Let's stick it here. Line up that wire. We're hot. Very nice. I missed. Okay, so this thing is going to be a go. Now, I don't know what that's for. Maybe it's to hang it up, but it does have a belt clip on it. If you've used the framing nailer, this is even much easier. It has less of a kick. About the same weight. The nails come in a box. You can just decide what size you want. Me, I usually use a longer nail when I'm hammering by hand. But with this, these are barbed, so they seem to grip. I don't know. Time will tell. Now, when you get to be an old timer like me, you want to make life easier. If I'd have had to bang those staples in with a hammer, I'd have been already cursing and tired. This thing, it goes so fast that it's going to make for a short video. Hey, I appreciate you all watching. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. We'd like that. Y'all have a blessed day.